The executive order was passed by the single benches. At least in primary school council, Bangladesh.
When was the order passed?
The order was passed. 22nd December 2025, and on that very day we have applied for certified copy.
What is the urgency? What is the urgency, sir? What is it?
Due to this petition, in the meantime, Lordship, we haven't received the copy yet.
You will get it. You can wait for the certificate. What is the urgency that if it is not taken up, it will become infructuous? Yes. Check it up and mention there. Yes, call the list.
1036 matter item number 31.
Done.
Yes. Personal object selection has been decided. Letter of appointment is given to him. And he has to undergo 8 months compulsory training. Then will be that we have written mechanics.
You have joined.
This my lord, I have two full submissions. My lord, senior friend is correcting saying that an order memorandum has been issued for reinstating. Will not be filed at the first annexure of the act itself. Well, after this memorandum was issued, the petitioner has visited the office space here in Calcutta at Garden Beach. He has been asked to wait for the reason that has also been appended to this petition. That is, the authorities have sought guidelines from the railway board as to what to do with the remaining part of the training that the petitioner was undergoing. So, my lord, in one way, the petitioner has been served with this memorandum, but in the other way, he has not been allowed to join till date. With regard to a paragraph that is there on the notes.
I did.
Page 9, the first annexure is the memorandum. 17th of December 2025.
Can I come there? Page 12.
And thereafter, guidelines were sought from 29th of December. The next page, that is page 9, from the container's office to the DIG establishment railway board, wherein the entire facts was narrated. The petitioner was on training when he was discharged.
The remaining period,
yes, well, kindly see the last
remaining period of his initial professional training is required to be completed.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. I was requesting your lordship to kindly come to the last paragraph of this letter. That is at page 12, internal page 3. I was also said orally this, that till such guideline comes, I should be waiting for my turn to join the training.
Yes, Mr. Oyunda.
But kindly come to page 3. But first, you have to kindly see the important page 1. Page
Reinstated.
Page 9, R1. But on the date itself, on 17th of December, but we have informed the DIG establishment railway board.
No, Mr. Oyunda, suppose you have sought for guidelines, whatever it may be, but what happens to his salary from the date of reinstatement?
He will get his salary. He will get his salary.
He will get
Yes,
his salary.
already. What going on?
Now, if the training is not completed, in that case, will
That is our responsibility. Once he has been reinstated, it is our responsibility to send him for training. But that is the reason if you also kindly turn to page 10, that on 29th of December, we have requested the DIG establishment who actually gives the training to provide the adequate time to join in for the training.
Now the training will be conducted here or some other
This is not by the RTA. This has to be done by the this band. You can also kindly see the last para, page 12, last 3 para. It further submitted that phase 1 initial training was
Was at
conducted
Lucknow.
with JRRPF Academy Lucknow with effect from 7/12/2020. Thereafter, the professional band training for a period of 8 months was conducted at Rajasthan Police Academy Jaipur with effect from 10 to 2021. 9 to 10 to 20. This training has to be given by the police, not by the RPF. So, that is the reason we have requested the DIG to fix the time when we can go and join the band training. This is not given by us. But so far as salary is concerned, we have nothing to. Record that he will get his salary from the date of the issuance of this letter, that is on 17th. You can record.
My lord, to this, my lord, I may join my senior friends in opposing this because I was discharged pursuant to your lordship's order, subject to your lordship's kind sanction. I should be getting my back wages also. As per my understanding of your lordship's order, at page at paragraph 19 of your lordship's order dated the 13th of February 2024.
that is an issue which has not yet been brought. Suppose we dispose of the matter and still there is violation of the order, you can certainly approach us. What is the problem? When Mr. Mojumdar says that
no, Mr. Mujumdar is suggesting that we will be entitled to the salary from this order that is being passed pursuant to your
very good,
lordship's
the areas which you are saying that our order has to be interpreted saying that the areas because reinstatement.
Yes, from the date when it was discharged.
Now the reinstatement, that bill has to be raised and has to be processed. But at the initial stage you have to join first.
Yeah, definitely, I had gone there to join, and it was their part that I was asked to wait. I am not shying away from joining, and I should join because of the reason that Mr. Mujumdar is suggesting that this salaries will be disbursed from the date of this current memorandum. That is the reason I joined the issue.
No, salaries will be on the basis of this, it will proceed.
Yes.
That it today's salary you will receive. But the thing is your entitlement to the back wages which you are saying,
Yes.
that is an issue to be considered. And when he is saying this, some reliance has to be placed upon him.
Definitely. Hence I joined my learner senior friend because he is.
Then what is your prayer today before?
My prayer would be, Lord, kindly have this content application pending. No, it is not that your lordship is. I am not insisting on any kind of personal appearance or whatever. I have never done so. I was humbly beseeching that keep this because this order, my lord, suggests that I would be getting a back wages.
They have not said that you won't be getting the back wages.
Senior friend has just said it.
That is on the basis of this memo he is saying, page 9.
That is the reason I was requesting your lordship to have this.
No, that was our query. Suppose you are not being allowed to join and you are kept in the backyard without salary, that will be more prejudicial to you.
Yes, definitely.
First you entered.
Yes,
first you entered.
I have no issues with regard. I was that order probably had two parts.
We can put this entitlement. That means on the screen he was discharged.
Kindly consider that.
On the stage, he was discharged from training. This is not a factor here. Issuance of back wages, here that is the interpretation of the judge. It may be right, it may be wrong.
Definitely, subject to corrections of losses. What I find is that there are full directions passed.
No, no, we will record. We will record that on the basis he has been reinstated. It has been submitted before us. For completion of the training period, they are in correspondence with their authorities so that you can be appropriately placed for completion of the remaining part of it. Then there nothing survives in the contract. Now the issue of back wages, that is an analogous issue which we have to consider whether we at all did intend to grant you back wages for that period or not. That is a contentious issue. He will also argue. He will say,
Hence, I was requesting lots of to have this matter.
no.
So that argument to be made here in this contempt procedure.
Moreover,
Because
this is on the basis, this is subject to the SLP. If the SLP goes,
Definitely.
we don't think there
On
is.
the more reasons I was requesting your lordship to have that matter, have this contempt application.
No, in the contempt, if it is in the Supreme Court, if it interferes, then the question
Definitely.
gets a separate color.
And on the other hand, if it does not interfere subject to corrections.
The Mr. Mojumdar, when he would be able to, when you would be getting this information as regards training, because you have written. Now,
29, the application was there till fast. Today you are on 6th. We think we'll get it very soon because we have already written them and we'll pursue it so that he can get his appropriate.
No, what we are thinking is today you are arguing, we are accepting your content. But the thing is, suppose 1 month no such direction comes, then he will be kept in abeyance. He will not be allowed to join.
But his salary, your lordship can record that from the date of the memorandum, he will get his salary from the date of the memorandum. And so far as the back wages is concerned, Milord, this is not the scope of this Milord, the contempt application. Let him file appropriate application for the authority. Then your lordship.
Don't be so harsh, Mr. Mujumdar. He has come up to this court after being denied by the first court, second court, now third court.
And
When was when were you discharged?
I was discharged. Well, that's 25th of February 2021.
21. Very good.
And in a post of constable band.
Ashok, the present contempt application has been
But item number one, only half an hour.
Paper, neither the
Now, she is entitled to get the group D post now.
Yes, we are ready to give it to her. We are till now we are ready to give it to her. Even the medical was also done so far as group D is concerned. Then she says that I will appear in group C.
So, Mr. Mojumdar, you do one thing. You place a formal order of appointment in group D post.
That we can do, Milord. That we can do.
We are not asking you
Huh.
to give her some remedy that she can at least join.
But
subject
we have
to-
given her the letter of appointment, but she says I shall not accept it. I want to participate in group C. So group C, Milord, the examination, the suitability test has to be there, Milord. Twice she appeared, twice she failed.
Lordship,
And Milord, this is
What is the promotional avenue?
Lordship,
Once a person join in group D, whether there shall be no promotional avenue
no. Then again, that same test has to be given. The suitability
year.
test. Yes.
every year.
Yes.
Then
Every
in
year.
the next year,
Yes.
she will be able to.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So you join it and
Lordship, what I was humbly beseeching, Lordship, on the first examination that was conducted in 10th of October, Lordship, I know, Lordship, this Honorable Court will not go into evaluating my question paper, but I had passed. I can show, Lordship, with 107.
Madam, you want the job or you want to go on litigating?
Lordship, I am not saying that, Lordship.
So why don't you join? You join the post, get the salary, start earning some money. It is a compassionate appointment, madam. You are suffering for more than a decade.
Yes, more than
It is
2
due
decades.
due to our interference, you have been able to secure a job on compassionate appointment.
Yes, Lordship.
You know, compassionate appointment in these days is so very troublesome.
Absolutely,
So
Lordship.
you please advise your client accordingly.
Lordship, the fight is for since last.
Now the fight does not end.
No,
We will not prejudice your claim.
no, Lordship.
So we will say that you will join, subject to appearing in appropriate examination to be considered or to be taken for the purpose of appointment to a group C post. We will incorporate that. How long will you litigate, madam? Today we have called him. He is a senior officer. We have tried to impress upon him that see, but we cannot go beyond one extent that you declared him pass. Can we say so?
Lordship, absolutely not.
yes.
Can we say so, madam?
Or give him 50. Give her 50. We cannot say so.
We cannot request him that when his paper comes, ask your officer to mark him 50. Can we say so? What can be done, madam? This is the problem which you have to face.
Or you wait another 1 year, go on litigating. In the next year, in the
I
month
am
of
using my
December
age, Lordship.
this year.
later join in
month
group
of-
D post, Milord.
month
We
of
are ready to.
December, when
accommodate
agency will
her.
arrange examination, you will appear.
And next year she
We
can.
will say we will record his contention that you will join
Yes.
and you would be entitled to appear in future examination for appointment to UDC post.
Lordship.
Finished. Your avenue remains open. Now, what can we do maximum today? Today, he may be our officer, but we cannot also embarrass him. We cannot say, no, I have checked the question paper, he should get 5 marks. You have illegally given him 2 marks. This fraud is very difficult to establish in a contempt application. Try to appreciate, madam.
Yes, Lordship.
You can
in
go
that,
to a particular extent, but not beyond that.
no, Lordship. Lordship, in that case, can I come back with instruction? Just a day's accommodation
The
and
more you delay, the more
or maybe
salary you
half an hour, just half an hour. He has.
No, Mr. Mojo, you have prepared you have brought the paper of marking.
Yes. Yes. Everything we have. Milord.
All right, very good. We take it up next Monday. In the meantime, you are conversant with that your client has not been successful. You talk with your client and come back on.
I have not even received any, my
He will
client has.
give it to you.
Yes,
He cannot give it to you just now. It is an examination
Yes,
sheet
Lordship.
which he has to place.
yes, Lordship. That formal communication had not been met. That is what I was just.
Then
We are keeping it on Monday.
Monday is a holiday, can it be on
Oh,
Wednesday?
Monday is a holiday,
Acha,
yes.
ठीक আছে. We
14th,
will keep it
13th,
on that day.
14th,
He will
14th.
place before us the OMR, which he says.
Yes.
We will consider that. But at least for your instruction, you can proceed that on the basis that you have not been successful, whether your client will join or not. We can ensure that joining happens immediately. You take instruction and come back.
Your Lordship may incorporate what he has, that the opening, this Group C promotional post for next, for joining of.
All right, you make your submission, we'll consider and incorporate.
Yes, yes.
That is an internal process. Matlab, every year she can apply for Group C.
File টা দাও তো একটু।
No, there is no limitation. 3 times or
Time.
4 times.
Matlab,
No
two times.
Any group they can appear.
But again, that is after a year.
ग्रुप डी से कितने बार ग्रुप डी के लिए अप्लाई ग्रुप डी में वो लोग पॉइंट हो गया तो ग्रुप सी के लिए कितने बार वो एग्जाम दे सकते
3-4 बार उसमें जब तक पास नहीं
Lordship, the thing is that.
oh there is no bar she can
She can, so why are you doing?
No, here you.
You join and then the probation
earn some money join
avenue is open.
service
At any point of time, as and when they will arrange for such examination, you can appear.
That's all.
We will record his content.
Yeah, we shall record
We
it.
will record that he is submitting upon instruction that his failure in the exam will not prevent you from appearing in the next exam for promotion. Finished.
But yes, Lordship, that will suffice. That will suffice.
ग्रुप डी के लिए रेडी है
हाँ सर हाँ
ठीक
दे दीजिए
A hard Miss Royal and advocate appearing for the petitioners, Mr. Mojumdar.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship.
Item number 2. Yes.
So, Lordship, that matter, Lordship, remember, sir, Lordship, petitioners are pursuing candidates of special B.Ed course, Lordship. Lordship, the notification published by the SSC, Lordship, directing them, Lordship, it's saying that the only qualifying candidate of special B.Ed course.
Have
can
you
participate.
appeared on 16th?
Lordship, yes. Lordship,
Then
I
what
have gone-
remains in the appeal?
Lordship, I have gone there along with my documents, Lordship. They have not allowed me to fill my forms, Lordship. This is my application, Lordship. Only they have taken the documents, Lordship, but they are not allowed, Lordship. Fill our forms to participate in the exam.
Well, I am ready to watch. No, sorry, Milord.
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Bondwata.
Well, I'm sorry, I am in 83.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Dr. Patru, you're there.
My lord, the document what has been handed up, what my instruction is that your lordship's directed to accept the offline applications. That we have accepted. But what we have not done is we have not yet uploaded it into the portal. That we have not done.
No,
The
give a
direct,
copy to him. Give a copy of that letter. Therefore, we are the chairman instructed us submit wait for further instruction of filling up the application form for
Lordship,
teacher
we are not
eligibility.
allowed to fill our forms, Lordship. Only they
Why
have
teacher
taken-
eligibility test?
Lordship, this is a teacher.
These are for first SLST.
Both, Lordship. First SLST and teacher eligibility test. Lordship, kindly see the notification, teacher eligibility test and first SLST, Lordship. Page 104, both. This is the combined notification, Lordship.
No, then if she has not been allowed to fill up the forms, how will you upload?
no. Your lordship's directed to make offline applications. They made the offline application, we have accepted it. So their offline application is with us. Now to put it into the system, because it is actually an online process, we require to upload it into the system. That could not be done on the 16th, maybe due to some other reasons, but we have accepted the offline applications. But the point remains, there is two parts to the recruitment process. First, TET
That
examination.
That you have argued.
Yes, and the other is the SLST examination. What my learned friend wants, other candidates who have been allowed to fill up the TET forms on the condition that they will not participate in the recruitment process. But my learned friend is insisting that his clients also want to participate in the recruitment process. That is not possible.
Lordship, only they
Firstly, the second embargo is there is a judgment passed by your lordships in another matter that we will not accept any further applications. That judgment staring at our face, it is very difficult to.
No, this limited purpose you do, you have to come out with a decision, na? Whether you are putting it online or not, you are saying it takes time. Very good. We are, because as that judgment of ours was there, that
Yes.
was argued by you.
Yes.
We said in these peculiar facts and circumstances, let this be done. So if you want to say today that this offline online.
No, this offline online is not the hurdle. That is not the hurdle. What the hurdle is that the previous order passed where your lordships have specifically.
That we will explain, Dr. Patro, but it was understood after hearing you that this matter would be done.
No, we have done it. We have accepted the offline
only
applications.
they
Very
have
good.
taken
Then
our
what
documents,
is the problem remains?
only they have taken our documents. They were not allowed to fill my forms, Lordship. Otherwise, they will participate in the exam, Lordship. They have only taken our documents, nothing else, Lordship.
So that is clear in the judgment which we delivered, that taking into account the appellant's is confined only to TET. We have said
Yes,
so.
yes.
So on that basis, we are not saying you do that. That was the order.
But the previous order, that will create a problem. Unless your lordship specifically direct us to accept candidates even after the last date.
No, then we have to, then that is what we understood from your submission, that all right, you are in a difficulty, but as these two persons have come, we will make necessary arrangements.
Not two persons. কজন ছিল তোমাদের? Eight candidates.
8 candidates. 8 persons.
Now, what is your instruction? You accepted the offline application.
Yes, pursuant to your lordship's directions.
Then what did you do? What is the next follow-up step?
The next follow-up step is it is required to be put into the system.
Has that been done?
No, it has not been done. For that, we will have to call the candidates again. Because when we do it in the online process, we will call the candidates because they have to submit their fees and they are also.
So you will be calling them.
Subject to your lordships directing us because of the previous order, we cannot.
No, we have said in the 9th of December order that we are asking them to appear so that you can record. You tell me what clarification you require. You
My
put
lord,
in those 8 candidates.
My lord,
This, if such application is submitted by the appellate, the same shall be processed and appropriate follow-up action shall be taken in accordance with law.
yes.
So the fact is, as on date, you have accepted.
But I
So-
require an observation that
That
the
is-
last order
that
which was passed.
observation is clear in this paragraph. Read that paragraph. Next
My
page,
lord,
second
the
page.
last order I do not have. I'm.
Check it.
My lord, I've got
Oh,
it.
yeah. এটার order?
এটা আগের order।
আগে স্যার, এটা দেখো।
এইখানে তো ইয়ে নাই, ইনভিউ।
না, এটা করিনি তো, কারণ আমরা এখানে এটা বলেছিল বলে শুধু টেকিং ইনটু টেট ওই কোয়ালিফিকেশনটার যে রিপোর্ট ছিল সেটা আমরা কনসিডার করেছিলাম। This will not enable you them for entitlement to SLST. This is for TET. Read the second page, second paragraph, taking into account the fact.
Your lordships are looking at 9th December.
No. Earlier order, 11th of November 25 in the other matter.
Other matter or
Similar
Oh,
matter.
yes, that I have. That I have.
So kindly read this internal page 2, second paragraph.
Yes, this order there was no difficulty. We have
So
complied.
do that.
No, the difficulty is kindly see the last, second last paragraph. It is made clear that this order shall not be treated as a precedent by any candidate
We will explain that.
who did not approach the authorities or file a writ petition to that effect prior to 24th September. This 24th September was the last date.
Dr. Patru, you can do it. We will explain that in our final order.
Yes,
You call them and they will be appearing for TET only. This does not create any right in their favor for SLST.
very well.
So you do that and come back to us and we
Very
will
well.
dispose it of. Explaining the hurdle you are facing, we will explain that.
Very well.
We can do it today itself. Provided you you will have to call them again.
Yes. We will call them because the online applications, we will do it in their presence and also they have to submit certain fees, etc. Some formalities are there.
Mr. Dr. Patru, learned advocate appearing for the commission submits
কোনটা?
পড়ে যাচ্ছে।
Santa Bora.
Led by Mr. Bandolad.
But I am appearing, my lord.
Well, I'm led by Mr. Firdaus. Jamin, respondent writ petitioner, my lord.
My lord, kindly first see the interim order which has been passed, my lord.
Lord, kindly come to my lord writ petition order first.
Wait, madam,
Lord.
the appellants.
Yes, your
I am
lordship.
the appellant. I am the appellant. Colored হয়ে গেল কেন? তুই তো বলি যে এটা দিয়ে ইয়ে কর, তুই তো শুনিস না। Yes.
Yes, you use your opposition. Use
Madam,
your opposition, it will be hard.
My lord, definitely, my lord. But if the interim order, my lord, the extended, my lord, if the selection process, my lord,
Have you
over.
preferred any appeal against this order?
No, my lord, this is, my lord, kindly come to my lord. I got order in my writ petition, my lord.
Right.
Kindly
That
come to
against
page.
that an appeal has been preferred.
Yes, my lord.
In appeal, an interim order has been passed.
Yes.
He is praying for extension of that interim.
Yes, my lord, but I am
So you file
opposing,
your opposition
my lord, but my lord, I am opposing the prayer of the, my lord.
extension.
Yes, my lord.
So
Because,
how
my
can
lord,
you do so? Did you prefer any appeal against this order of the coordinate bench?
No, my lord, no appeal was preferred, my lord. It is
Then
limited stay was given, my lord, and the matter was placed before the, my lord, regular bench, my lord. That's why, my lord, the
you have filed any stay. Your stay application is which one?
One is the stay.
my lord, kindly come to, my lord, page number 77 once, my lord, of the stay application, my lord. Page number 77.
Yes.
My lord, this is in mentioning the urgency, my lord. This matter was moved before a urgent determination of, my lord.
Muskil. We are asking you, we know that. We are asking you that today you want the appeal to be disposed of.
Yes, my lord. Kindly, my lord, heard this matter.
So
my lord.
you will not use any pleadings to the opposition, to the application.
Yes, my lord. I want.
Will you
to, my
or
lord,
will you not? Tell
my
us.
lord, I will, but
So
my lord,
by which time you will?
my lord, but my lord, if they will publish the, my lord, list on the fifth, probably 15, maybe. My lord, probably 15, my lord, the petitioners, once, my lord, petitioner miss his interview, my lord, and there is a specific direction of the single bench that the interview may taken up by the respondents, my lord. My lord, if the result is published, my lord,
Ask your senior to appear.
yes, my lord, I pass it.
Pass over. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, we take it up after some time.
Yes, my lord. এরপর কত আছে আমাদের?
Item number 4.
পুরোটা শুনে নিয়ে আর না হলে কত তো অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করছি
হ্যাঁ, না আজকে তো 9 তারিখ আসবে। Yes,
Hello, this matter,
But I'm told by the clerk of Mr. HON'BLE that he's not in court today.
you took instruction.
yes,
Mr.
my lord.
What is this higher scale of pay?
No, my lord, this is with regard to that CPF, my lord, employee is a CPF opti. He died in harness. The widow has come seeking, my lord, conversion. The single bench has rejected on the ground that during the lifetime of the husband, as he did not, my lord, exercise the option, therefore he is not entitled for pension and consequentially, my lord, family pension. This is but the issue, my lord, as if he is exercising 1990 ROPA, then, my lord, it will be automatic. The wife is also entitled for family
So
pension.
do the needful.
My lord, the difficulty, my lord, what I have received instruction that regarding specific instruction that the person, the deceased employee had exercised ROPA 1990, that is yet to be taken. My lord, I need to receive that instruction. If that is there, my lord, there is, because there are several judgment, division bench, single bench, my lord, decided the issue in favor of the widow.
So you want to ascertain whether he at all exercised option in ROPA 90?
1990. Then no.
Must have exercised, otherwise how
Yes,
his pay
mal-
scale was revised?
Because, my lord, there is a difficulty because there are those who are 1981 ROPA. They
After 2 weeks with the
my lord, only 1 week, 10 days is sufficient for me. I have got
very good. We are keeping it on 22nd.
22nd.
Why? You have any problem?
No, 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 my lord.
Tell us when will you come with that?
Even if prior to that, I can be able to.
So it will be on 19th.
90. I'm getting.
Yes, next.
Item number 5.
Mr. Prasad, you bring the last judgment also.
Yes.
The last judgment of conversion.
Promila Bera is the Promila Bera.
Yes.
And the Shefali Jana before that, Promila Bera is the latest. And the
has been reported.
Promila Bera, my lord, Promila Bera is not reported.
All right.
And the very first judgment is Jhanna. Jhanna Bhattacharya.
All right. That
I am having all those judgments. I'm getting.
yes.
Malat, kindly take it tomorrow, Malat. Only one day accounts, and I'm not ready today, Malat. Only not today, Malat. Tomorrow I shall do it.
Tomorrow you can come. Not today. Tomorrow you have problem. Or next week.
No, tomorrow.
All right. Yes.
Item number 6.
Malat, this is my appeal.
But I appear for the status summons.
But the brief conspectus of the matter is that
Delay allowed.
delay allowed. Can one?
Allowed.
In fact, that was held by this honorable court that that application is not required.
All right. So your stay application has come up.
There is no scope of interim order, my lord.
I see.
But
So
order
but
can 2 is for appropriate order
let to allow the
No, in writ petition, pleadings were complete.
yes, exchange of affidavits have been done.
Then you file your paper books.
Yes. I'll file. I'll file my paper book, but Lordship could have everything, all documents are there with my can too.
না না কোথায় ক্যান্টু আছে আমাদের এভিডেভিট আছে আমাদের এভিডেভিট আছে কোথায় আমাদের এভিডেভিট আছে
All the affidavits are there.
All the affidavits are there. My reply is there. There is along with the can too. Because my lord, I am not getting any pension. So on the ground that I have not completed the requisite period of service in the school.
Then we can, Mr. Dotto, you are ready. We can take up the main matter then.
Yes, my lord, today, my lord, the main matter,
So, Mr. Mukherjee, why don't you file a short paper book?
I will file.
or informal paper book.
Informal paper
Lordship
book.
kindly
We
gives
will
me-
dispose of the stay application. No
Yes.
further pleadings is required. You file it paper book within a particular period. You mentioned before us. We
And
fix.
my lord, only one document which was not used,
You are not getting pension. Qualifying service not complete.
not getting pension. My previous service in
Was in a
municipal-
municipality school.
yes, which was disregarded.
Which
did
was
not-
this? Very good.
I did not get the pay protection as well as the benefits, retiral benefits.
No, you are not entitled to pension now because you are not
Yes.
completed qualifying service according to them.
According to them, 10 years
10
qualifying
years.
service
But
is not
you
there.
have got the gratuity.
I have got the gratuity from the municipal school.
Oh. How long did you serve in this aided school?
8 years.
Then Mr. Dotto, 5 years service gratuity is payable to him.
Gratuity, I think he has received gratuity.
You ascertain that.
I'll ascertain that. And my lord, I will attach only one document which was not used in the writ petition, my service book in the municipal school and the aided school. Because that service book of the municipal school will reveal that my pays were getting revised in accordance to ROPA.
Putting all pleadings as well as
That was not before the land a single judge. Those are
this book pertaining to the two
Both the
institutions.
schools. I'll give the advance copy to my learned friend, learned senior friend.
but those the paper that service book copies were not before the learned judge,
It is
single
their
judge.
document.
It's not new.
It is their document.
And it is not.
Service book
give-
now. Whatever you can.
Very well,
Not new thing.
very well, very,
Just to show that
very well. I'm
my
very well.
pays were being revised.
Having
according
heard
to
the
ROPA.
learned advocate appealing for the respective parties and upon
Put the appellant state.
Your Lordship, on behalf of Dr. Patra, I am praying not today. On behalf of the
This
entire
matter was
service
taken
committee.
up for hearing, almost hearing was concluded. My lord,
Your
at
Lordship,
the
the-
juncture of the my last moment, my lord was pleased to direct me to serve a copy upon the School Service Commission to apprise their lordship whether in first RLST there were different set of question for my lord pass and my lord postgraduate.
Now
Only
you have used your affidavit.
No, my lord, I have affirmed, I have not, I will supply, I will serve today, my lord. I'll serve today, my lord.
22nd January. Yes. Next. Complete your affidavit.
My lord, I will supply.
I will
Immediately give it to him so that you can file.
within 27, if he served me, I have to give reply.
No, today I
You
will.
will give it today.
I will.
Or you want more time?
My lord, if I have to use, then my lord, I have to my lord, kindly extend another 1 week time for giving reply. If something new or order, please.
देखिए और फाइल टा दाও Mr. Badi Learned Advocate appearing for the
I'm taking for 1 week adjournment, my lord. Mr. Boiso is this matter, my lord. He is out of station for the check-up, my lord.
Or I'm for the state respondents. This appeal is by the Director of Pension Provident Fund.
Last occasion, my
you
lord.
are supporting the appeal.
Yes, yes.
What, there is a section 5?
The section 5 is allowed, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, section 5 is allowed.
22nd day করে দাও 22nd.
For the my lord, private respondent, my lord.
Any direction for affidavit was there?
No. Direction. My lord,
The application filed.
yes, my lord. Stay application file.
All right, next. Yes.
In this matter, Mr. Kamal Mishra is appearing, and today his father is admitted to hospital. Therefore, he could not come to the court.
I'm the state respondents.
I am saying for 1 week of adjournment.
22nd day করে
22nd. Lordship.
Number 10.
You করবে না
In I am for the appellant.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am playing passover on behalf of Dr. Patro.
Lord, the there.
দেখি ফাইলটা দাও
In similar issue, my lord, the one matter is fixed on 14.
হ্যাঁ
In similar issue, the one matter is fixed on 14. Kindly take it up, my lord, be on 14 along with
14th 14th এ রেখে দিই Yes, next.
Please, Your Lordship, I have got the petition. Last occasion, Your Lordship was pleased to take the state respondent to give the reply in connection which was paid to the petitioner earlier as per his distinction. Thereafter, at the verge of retirement, the said rupees 20,000 was already, he was compelled to pay the amount. That is why Your Lordship asked the opposite party why the amount was drawn. They took time. Today they will place their submission. My lord. May I place the amount which was paid to the petitioner, my lord. In my supplementary affidavit, I have served the opposite party as well as it was moved before the court. Thereafter, I will come to the.
You have gone through it. Have you gone through the supplementary?
Lordship.
You obtained your instruction.
My lord, overall issue, yes. On entire issue, I have taken instruction, my lord, and I have gone through the brief also. My lord,
Yes, sir. Yes. Let us go through it.
ফ্রোজেন হয়ে যাচ্ছে স্যার, ফ্রোজেন হয়ে যাচ্ছে একটু বেশি হয়ে গেছে।
Yes. Place your case.
My respectful submission, your lordship, kindly see the page number 26, my lord. Report that.
Where is your supplementary evidence?
I have
File.
I have ordered. And I have served the copy to my learned friend. It was hard earlier occasion, my lord.
Place the case.
My respectful submission, your lordship, that the petitioner, page number 15, my lord. One after another, I will come on.
Page?
Page 15, my lord. In my supplementary affidavit. He obtained the marks, my lord. BSc distinction with, your lordship got in.
Come to the ordered impugned. Come to the ordered impugned.
Lordship, page number 171, my lord. 170. In my my lord.
What is the wrong with this order? What is
Wrong in this sense, petitioner passed BSc distinction, BA science group. He was appointed as
10th August 1982.
to science as a science, life science. You will also kindly see the appointment letter also.
Very good. Then
he passed the MA in education in life science, not in other subject. So my respectful submission, when the petitioner was appointed as life science in science group.
Where is your appointment letter? Show us. Your initial appointment.
My lord, your lordship can see my supplementary affidavit. My lord. One after another. That is, it will be very short. Page number 18, Annexure B, my lord. Supplementary affidavit. Page number 18, my lord.
Where is the DI order of approval? You were appointed in Dhakuria Sri Ramakrishna Vidyapit.
Vidyapit, lordship.
You were appointed on 3rd August
1982. My
Where is your DI
bioscience
approval?
of this school, my lord. My life science, bioscience. My lord, fourth line, my lord. May I read it, my lord?
We are wanting to see the order of approval passed by the DI of your service which you entered in 1982.
Page 83 of this stay application.
Yeah.
Page 83, my lord, of the stay application.
Lordship. In my stay application, page 83, I have annexed, my lord.
BSc B.Ed.
BSc B.Ed distinction, my lord.
Very good. Then what happened? Then you continued in that service till 1996 in this post.
96.
Then you got appointment as headmaster.
It was in another school.
Where is that appointment?
My lord, in my
Page 92.
page 92, my lord.
So this is 21st November 96. This is the panel.
Page 92 panel.
Page 93.
93 is the appointment, my lord.
Page
Study School, St. Education, Midnapur, my lord. Page 93. Approval of appointment of teacher, teaching and non-teaching, etc. 18th August 1997, my lord. It is my approval as headmaster.
Then what happened?
Due to my personal difficulties, I left this study school, my lord, which I have stated. My respectful submission.
When you were appointed in 1982, you were getting graduate scale of.
Graduate scale with distinction, my lord. My lord, that is why I am placing, my lord. 20,000 rupees was deducted on what ground? It is my first prayer.
Show us that deduction. Then 1997, you were appointed as a headmaster of a particular school.
In another
and you started getting which pay scale? Higher pay scale as headmaster?
Higher scale of pay.
Higher scale of. So then
that was also mentioned page number 94, my 94 in my stay application. And it is more than the ME in education higher scale of pay. Headmaster scale is more than higher scale of pay.
Then
which
what?
I was in, my lord.
Then what happened?
My lord, thereafter, due to my personal difficulties, I left the study school. As a lien, I was appointed in lien, my lord, not that certificate also in my.
Then what is you preferred earlier writ petition for what? 98.
Earlier writ petition for higher scale of pay.
You were when did you leave the post of headmaster and join the other school?
I have joined.
When? Which page?
Well, your lordship can see page number 94, my lord, for a moment. My scale of pay was fixed by this additional district school AC Conte subdivision, my lord. Rupees 8,000 to 13,500. Lordship, page number 94, my lord. In my stay application. Page number 95 also fixation of pay in favor of Dev Kumar Paja, my client, my lord, petitioner herein.
আগে এসেছিল কোথায় করবে?
Page 98.
My lord, the income, page number 96, my lord. The earlier school
Page 97 টা দেখো।
has given a late certificate in favor of me that he was on lien for the said period of headmaster. Page number 96, my lord, last but two.
Honors graduate scale of pay. এই যে Dev Kumar Paja, MA in is also allowed to draw postgraduate skills with effect from 5/11/2000.
As their
Services transferred to HS6.
section, হ্যাঁ, এটা হচ্ছে আফটার হেডমাস্টারের।
হ্যাঁ, হেডমাস্টার তো শুধু এক বছর। আচ্ছা, then page 97, you were given the higher scale with effect from 5/11/2000.
There, after coming to this school, in the 2000, this school was upgraded.
Please answer what we are asking.
That is why I am placing, my lord.
Page 97.
97, my lord. May I
Yes.
with reference to the above, the undersigned has to inform him that Sri Sunil Kumar Pal, BA Honors in paper, is hereby allowed to draw a honors graduate scale of pay, and Dev Kumar Paja, MA in education, is also allowed to draw postgraduate scale of pay with effect from 5th November 2000. As because his school was upgraded 11-12.
ওটা জিজ্ঞেস করিনি, want to see the memo. Now come, what happened?
Thereafter, he got the higher scale of pay on and from 2000.
2000, he went on paying the higher scale of pay.
Higher scale of pay.
Very good. Then what happened?
My
Then a recovery order was passed when? When did you retire?
19, my lord.
Date of retirement.
31st July 2019.
31st July 19.
You wait. Yes?
31st July 2019, my lord, I retired.
31st July 2019, you retired.
I have retired.
So at that time, you were enjoying the postgraduate scale of pay. Very good. Then what happened? Then where is the...
My demand is, my respect...
Were you given the pension?
My lord.
Pension was paid to you. Then where is the recovery order? Any recovery was claimed?
My lord, now I am claiming in my supplementary affidavit.
You have got the postgraduate scale of pay from 5th November 2000.
Lordship.
You retired in 2019.
Lordship.
You got the pensionary benefits on the basis of that pay scale.
Lordship.
Then what happened? What is your problem?
It was happened, BSc Science distinction, 2-3 increments was paid to me as per their memo. Thereafter, verge of retirement, they told me that overdrawn. That is why I am.
Where is that overdrawn? Where is that letter of overdrawn?
My lord, that is why I am placing this supplementary affidavit.
Bolun na page ta. You say the page.
Page number 28, my lord. And before that, page number 27. On the basis of the memo number dated 22nd May 2022. Page number 27, my lord.
Of the supplementary affidavit.
Of my supplementary. And next page, I have paid. A respectful submission, Lordship.
wait. 1988. You joined the school on 10th August 1982.
82.
1198. What is this period? 1988 to 21st of May 2002. What is this period? Page 28 of your memo. Supplementary affidavit.
Lordship, page number 28, my lord. My respectful submission, when they have given me the appointment letter,
31st
July 2019. Yes. Or I am trying to
এটা রিটায়ারমেন্ট ডেট এই মেমোটা ইস্যু হলো কবে? 18/11/2019। Yes. So come to page 28.
28.
What does page 28 say? Recovery amount of 20,000
260
for the period from 1188 to 21/5/2002.
Lordship.
During this period, you worked where?
In my first school, when I in Dhakuria.
Can you explain the period? What this period says? Now you are getting pension. You are wanting that this 20,000 amount has to be repaid to you.
Repaid by myself.
That is your grievance.
Grievance. Next grievance is higher skill of pay income. It is my first grievance. Second grievance is for higher qualification. I want higher scale of pay. Particular period.
Which particular period?
In my, you logically see the page number 81, my lord, in my stay application.
Before holding the post of headmaster, you are enjoying the past graduate skill in your parent school, in your earlier school,
Lordship,
without raising any protest. You completed your MA in education in 1985.
Lordship.
1985.
6.
So there was no occasion to gain any postgraduate skill since education was not your relevant subject.
Lordship. In this regard, my respectful submission.
Benefit was given.
My respectful submission, your lordship.
1st January 1988.
In this regard, I am placing the memo number 33 DNB, page number 22 of my supplementary affidavit. Your lordship, can you see for a moment?
Before being headmaster, you were enjoying postgraduate skill.
Lordship.
Okay, as per the staff
with
pattern.
Distinction marks, my lord, my respectful submission.
Distinction
Lordship, my lord.
Page,
Page 28, as because page number 27, the order was passed. It is not correct. It is not justified relevant in this matter, as because I am the teacher of postgraduate, no doubt, with distinction. I want to try to clarify itself.
এটা কবে দিয়েছে এটা হচ্ছে 11 আফটার রিটায়ারমেন্ট সেটা না রসিদ মেসেজ যদি কিছু থাকে
no, retirement 31st July 2019.
19 জুলাই এটা হচ্ছে 11
এটা রিকভারিটার যেটা দিল সেটা হচ্ছে
নভেম্বর
পেজ
আফটার রিটায়ারমেন্ট
পেজটা
এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না এটা কি ব্যাপারটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না উইথ ওভার
এই যে পিরিয়ডটা দিয়েছে কোনো 118
হ্যাঁ ওই তো গালি
21/5/2000
হ্যাঁ
এই পিরিয়ডটা
না
দিয়েছে
ও তো
You, Mr. Bhandari,
Lordship,
you cannot get the higher scale of pay at this stage. What we can do is we will ask him as regards the withdrawal which has been made. That we will consider, but so far as you are prepared for higher scale of pay, that cannot be entertained now. Because you have retired in July, you preferred the writ petition 4 years thereafter.
in the meantime, 2 times I have submitted the demand of justice.
সেটা হবে না।
My respectful submission, I was
আচ্ছা,
the
we understand.
I was the examiner of
Mr. Bhandari, you may
Lordship,
be
I
an
am the
examiner.
examiner. That's why I am waiting.
When you make the prayer for higher scale of pay?
In the year 1991, my lord.
Show us.
My lord, you will also kindly see in my supplementary affidavit.
Huh. Yes, supplementary affidavit.
Lordship, kindly see for a moment. I am placing
page.
Page number 29, my lord.
29 is a
Annex A.
Court order.
Court order.
This is of Mukul Chakraborty.
And others, my lord. That is why you also asked another day also. And that is why I placed the page number 30 for a moment, my lord.
Wow.
I am very much grateful. Page number 30. Not only Mukul Chakraborty.
Acha, wait, sir.
It was mistake.
Advocate.
Page number 30. Below 4 lines.
Very good. Now, after this, when was the order passed by the director?
Order page number 32.
Page number 30.
Lordship.
So this was rejected in 2000. Rejected in 2000. After your retirement, no, 2000.
Lordship.
Then what did you do after that?
My lord, self-same cause of action.
About self-same. From 2000, did you challenge the order of the director?
No.
আবার বলে কথা বলছে। You wait.
My lord, in this regard, I am placing.
আবার pressing. I am answering, seeking a simple answer.
That is why I am placing self-same cause of action. Another incumbent, Mukul Chakraborty, he filed another writ petition before the High Court. He got the order. Government preferred appeal. Lost the appeal. Why? Government paid the higher scale of pay to Mukul Chakraborty. Not only that, interest amount was also paid to him. I have placed in my.
Very good. Then you
that is
not,
my self-same cause of action. If another incumbent got the order from the court and the government.
Why will I not get the order?
And government paid the amount.
Right. But where is your challenge to that order? You accepted the order. Mr.
Lord, I am coming, my lord.
You are saying.
I am trying to. No. Why not, my lord? I am coming, my lord.
Aha, you will.
You are seeking.
14th of January 2000, the order was passed.
Great to lordship.
Rejecting both your claim and Mukul claim.
Mukul Chakraborty.
Then challenging that order, Mukul preferred writ petition.
Lordship.
And Mukul got the beneficial order.
Lordship.
But you did not challenge the order.
I did not, but when one incumbent in the 1997, both of us.
Sorry, sir, that cannot. You have not challenged
when
this order.
Incumbent is getting
so we cannot give you the higher scale of pay because admittedly you have not challenged the order of 14 January 2000.
Lordship.
Till 2019, 19 years you worked, but you did not challenge that order. Try to understand.
In the meantime, I have some.
Acha, in the meantime, we will answer. Now, why have you taken back the 20,000 rupees? Yes, Mr. Gali. Give him back the 20,000. Why you are arguing on that?
My lord, the lordship is, my lord, confined only to this issue now. Or my other issues may I.
We are open to everything.
My lord, my learned senior friend, my lord, is trying to enlarge the scope of the writ petition before the appellate forum by filing a supplementary affidavit. If I may respectfully submit, lordship. My lord, may I respectfully invite your lordships to the writ petition first. My lord, page 33, my lord, of the stay application. It starts with my lord.
Dev Kumar Panja. You are Mr. Panja.
Lordship.
I haven't देखा हुआ पाई
Dev Kumar Paja's petition. My lord, prayer portion, prayer clause, my lord, page 79, Lordship.
79.
Lordship, prayer clause.
Yes.
My lord, he wants, my lord, what does he want, my lord? Kindly say, my lord. Cancel the scene, withdraw the impugn government order 59 GA, dated 16 January 1982. Then government order 1332 EDN and government order 68 EDN. Then second prayer, my lord, kindly cease, my lord. Direct the respondents to make payment and or release higher scale of pay for acquiring postgraduate qualification, that is MA, in education from 28th June 1986, that is the day when he acquired his master's degree in education. That is the day. 28th June 1986 to 4th November. My lord, I am reading page 80 now, Lordship. So higher postgraduate qualification, that is MA in education, from 28th June 1986, this is the date on which he acquired the higher qualification in MA education, to 4th November 2000. What is this date? This is the day just before the day when the school was upgraded to higher secondary school. The school was upgraded to higher secondary school on and from 5th November 2000. So he wants this postgraduate skill from 20th June 1986. That is the date on which he acquired the postgraduate education qualification in postgraduate in education, to 4th November 2000. That is before the date of the upgradation of school, Lordship. Because school upgraded on and from 5th November.
Then what do you say about this memo of page 97 of stay application? Dev Kumar Panja, MA in education, is also allowed to draw postgraduate scale of pay. Oh, from 5th November.
5th November.
Acha, acha, acha.
The school was upgraded on and from 5th November 2000.
Page 97.
So he wants this postgraduate skill from the date he obtained his higher qualification, this postgraduate qualification in education, to the day
It
that
was
is
upgraded.
before the day upgradation, which he is not entitled. Because
Then how did Mukul get it? How did Mukul get
my lord, this is my lord, he is drawing a parallel. I don't know, my lord, but here nothing of those. He is drawing a parallel, my lord. My lordship, he cannot prefer negative equality, my lord, here. So he is drawing nothing of the sort in the writ petition. My lord, this is first prayer. Second prayer, my lord, kindly see second limb of the prayer, my lord. Except 20th May 1997 to 19th May 1998 for enjoying headmaster scale of pay, which is more than higher scale of pay, within bracket. So from 20th May 1997 to 19th May 1990, he was discharging the duty of headmaster on Leon. So he was enjoying the headmaster scale of pay, which is not akin to higher scale of pay or postgraduate scale of pay for acquiring post-graduation. It is not akin. Then what does he want? As well as 2 increments for distinction in BSc from 10th August 1982, that is the date of his appointment, to 27th June 1986.
prior to enhancement?
Lordship. So, my lord, before my lord, addressing my lord my respectful submission on this prayer, may I respectfully invite your lordships, my lord, to my lord some of the preliminary my lord objections on this my lord writ petition, my lord.
No, that we understand, Mr. Gali.
My lord,
We are wanting to know from you, or a postgraduate scale of pay, you have made your submission. But what about the page 28 of the supplement?
Probably I'll answer to it, lordship. Just, my lord, preliminary, some certain, I will definitely, my lord. So, my lord, this, if your lordship may kindly comes to page 4 and paragraph 4 and 5 of the writ petition, page 37 and 38 of the, my lord, stay application. Page 37, paragraph 4, your petitioner states that on 24th August 1990, the petitioner applied to the secretary of the aforesaid school through the headmaster for getting the postgraduate scale of pay. And according to the headmaster officiating of the aforesaid school, submitted a representation letter dated 11 March 1991 in favor of the petitioner for higher scale of pay for enhancement of qualification to the DI. Daden 26 by Hindustan Park, so and so. After getting the aforesaid representation dated 11 March 1991, the aforesaid district schools, Calcutta, passed an order being memo number 1524M dated 17th August 1991. That higher scale of pay of the petitioner could not be considered, that the aforesaid qualification, that is MA in education, was not the relevant subject in normal section 10 class Madhyamik school. Now, next paragraph, only this paragraph. Your petition state that petitioner and others moved an application before the Honorable High Court, Calcutta, on 9 July 1997, before the Honorable Justice Basudev Panigrahi, and after hearing counsel for both the parties, his lordship was pleased to pass an order inter alia. The Director of School Education will consider the grievance of the petition and others. After hearing the petitioner and others, and accordingly, the aforesaid Director of School Education, West Bengal, is pleased to hear the matter on 14 January 2000 and 18 January 2000. Finally, prayers of the petitioner and others were rejected. So this rejection by the DAC in the year 2000, my lord, remains unchallenged till date. That is my first full submission with regard to penal objection. Secondly, my lord, he has retired, my lord, on, my lord, 31st July, my lord, 2019. And writ, my lord, comes, my lord, in the year 2025. Not a word has been spared, my lord, as what was the reason for this delay in invoking the jurisdiction, my lord. Not a word in the entire writ petition. Now, my lord, he is claiming that I was given the scale much higher than that of the postgraduate scale while I was discharging the duty of headmaster on lien. In paragraph 9, it is clearly, he has stated himself in his writ petition that it was a headmaster scale. So headmaster scale at the time of discharging the function of the headmaster cannot be equated with postgraduate scale of pay.
No, that's okay.
Lordship. Now, my lord, so this is first submission delay part. Second is he was getting headmaster scale. Now, my lord, must
Headmaster scale for 96, 97 to 98.
lordship. So that is headmaster scale.
When he came back to the parent school, he was again given the postgraduate scale of pay
because
incremental benefits. With incremental benefits.
Lordship, that is with regard to distinction, my lord. So he is not entitled to get. Now, my lord, third, that's full reply, my lord, to the query of the Honorable Court. That is why he will not get his postgraduate scale of pay from 28th June 1986 to 4th November 2000. It is not. Why, my lord? May I respectfully hand over these copies of the memo. It's an instruction to me by the DI, my lord. May I respectfully invite your lordship, my lord, to page 3, my lord, of the bunch of document.
May I get a copy? My lord, may I get a copy, my lord?
Give a copy to I put it. Now, give your copy. 5-11 থেকে 5-11-2000
The postgraduate scale, because school was upgraded. City higher secondary school.
We are only
City.
বিচার যেটার জন্যই রিকভারিটা
আসছি ওটা পরে।
রিকভারিটা হচ্ছে 88 থেকে 2000।
ভগবান।
88 থেকে 2000।
এইটা পড়ে যাচ্ছে ওটা এখনো বলছে না, এটা অপেক্ষা করছি।
Yes.
The first 2 pages of my
As regards postgraduate scale of pay, you have argued. We have taken note of that. Please explain to us this page 28. This page 28 recovered.
page 28.
Because what you are...
My lord, my authority has given answer to it. If I may respectfully invite your lordship to first page, my lord, the penultimate paragraph of the first page.
Yes.
In memo number 59 GA, dated 16th January 1982 under ROPA 1981, it states, no such benefit to, that is called 2 advance increments he's asking for.
Which was given to him.
Would be extended from 1st April 1981. Candidate having BA, BSc with distinction, and there was no provision for advance increments under ROPA 1981. Rules to grant 2 advance increments, those teachers have degree. Now, my lord, if I may respectfully invite your lordship to the memorandum dated 59 GA, that is at page, my lord, 5 of the bunch of documents I handed over. Page 5 of the bunch of document. If I may respectfully invite your lordships, my lord, to kindly see lordship got this 59 GA dated 16 January 1982 government order at page 5. Lordship kindly sees point number 6. Whether BA, BSc with distinction in both part 1 and part 2 will get 2 advance increments. Kindly sees the answer. From 1st April 1981, no such benefit will be extended. So his joining is on and from 10th August 1982, that is after. So 59 GA says that no person will be entitled to these advance increments, 2 advance increments from 1st April 1981.
Then what did you DI do thereafter from 82 to 2019? If your DI is pointing it out that for this reason he is not entitled to the increment, your DI did not take any step till 2019. This order has been issued on 27 November 2019.
I mean, the recovery part, lordships know better than me, lord. Recovery part is the moment the service will goes to the lordship AG,
This is well.
director of accounts, then so they should have given me, lord, the he should have given a representation to the AG.
No, he first time came to know about recovery after his retirement.
My lord, that is why, my lord,
That
my
is why
learned,
you have no point on
no, that is why my learned friend, no, that is why my learned friend has made a specific prayer in the writ petition. He wants withdrawal, cancellation, and rescission of 59 GA. This memo he wants cancellation of.
that the teacher can ultimately, when he went to the DI of his DI, told him this is the memo standing in your way. Then he made that prayer. But Mr. Galib, you have given me a pay. I have enjoyed it for 20 years till my retirement. One fine morning you can take it away. 20,000.
My lord,
Not be so strict, Mr. Galib.
my lord, page 28, my lord, of the supplementary affidavit which my learned senior friend has been referring to your lordships, of the supplementary affidavit. Lordship.
That return me the 20,000 rupees.
We cannot go beyond pleading.
There is no avowment, no pleading.
No.
How can we? Anywhere can you show that you said that this recovery was wrong? This you have brought it on record by a supplementary evidence.
Lordship, this was not before the writ court,
Mr.
before
Bhandari,
the
this
single
was
bench.
before the writ court. How can we help you, Mr. Bhandari?
আপনি এটা পড়েছেন তো হয়তো
এত প্রশ্নে ঝুঁচকে
Since, my lord, this is the only point which my lords, my lord, are insisting of. So far as page 28 of this.
Yes, yes.
My lord, since this is not the document of any of the respondents who have been arraigned, my lord, in the writ petition. This is not the document. This is by the director of accounts. So the petitioner or the appellant, he may prefer representation for consideration of this. It is beyond the scope of writ petition, although.
No, this is the challan because he was compelled to pay this, na? He was compelled to pay this, thereafter PPO issued.
So it is recovery part, it is made by the accountant general, they make the calculation. DI is not the authority.
Yes, সেটা নিয়ে অ্যাকচুয়ালি এগ্রিড নয়, ও এসছে এখানে ইয়ে চাইতে, এই যে মুকুল পেয়েছে সেইটাকেও ঘুরিয়ে এসেছে। মেন গ্রিভান্সেস হচ্ছে মুকুল পেয়েছে আমাকে দিতে হবে।
It's from accountant general office, lordship. So he may prefer representative before AG.
ক্লিয়ার নেই। খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না after cessation of, particularly after cessation of
he will make a representation for recovery of. Past such other or further efforts. Move the. Have you
My lord,
written
may I submit, my lord? Page number 80 for a moment, my lord.
Page 80.
Last line.
Mr. Galib is saying that you have not claimed that recovery.
In
That
my petition, I have stated, my lord. That's it. That is, I am.
Where have you
Page
stated?
number 80, my lord, in my prayer, you lordship.
Yes, where have you stated?
As well as 2 increments.
For the period from 82 to 86.
Lordship.
That is a fresh demand you are making. Where is your prayer that you refund me this illegally recovered 20,000? Have you made any prayer?
At that point of time, I did not, my lord. My respectful submission.
Then Mr. Bhandari, how can we help you?
My respectful submission, which I have stated in my supplementary affidavit, page number 22, your lordship, for a moment. I am giving the reply to my friend, page number 22. Your lordship, kindly see. Page number 22 for a moment, my lord.
To supplementary affidavit, we are trying to make a new case before the appellate court. So now we are fully relying upon supplementary affidavit. We are not relying upon the petition. Yes, come over all the new, none of the documents which have been annexed to the supplementary affidavit were before the writ, in the writ petition, lordship. None, my lord. It is enlarging the scope of the my lord, my lord. My lord, what to say?
Lordship, my local receipt. My learned friend submitted my client will not get. Page number
We
22,
are
my.
not on that basis. We are not deciding your entitlement. We are deciding whether this recovery which was claimed, that is right or not. Whether you are entitled to that or not, that is not the issue now, because they have given you the benefit, they have taken away that benefit. Whether this taking away of 20,000 was right or wrong.
That is why I am placing my.
That is why your prayer does not contain that. You should have made a prayer that this illegally they have recovered 20,000 from mine.
ভাগালি বলি অনলাইন করেছি কিন্তু পেয়ার দিই that was not a scope whether this is such really far will be justified or not. The scope ছিল
In my second prayer, may I place so many
We are
documents?
trying to help you. We are trying to help you as to whether that is not your main prayer. You are not worried about 20,000 rupees.
No, my lord. That
You
is
are
why
worried about denial of the postgraduate scale of.
that is why I am placing my lord so many documents, my lord. In my
your main grievances is there
higher scale of pay.
Yes, postgraduate scale.
Lordship.
It has given to Mukul, why it has not been given to me?
That is why I am
But
placing.
what you are doing, even after retirement, you slept over for 6 years. Then suddenly in 2025, waking up from the deep slumber, you come. Yes, it was given to Mukul, now it has to be given to me.
My lord.
But the order of rejection so far, your case is concerned, has been left unattended.
My lord.
That is final, so far your case is concerned.
My respectful submission, after 19th, COVID was issued. And that is why on that particular period, I was very, very, disease was attacked by myself. And I was in
There is a
hospital.
judgment
So many documents I may place. However,
Mr. Bhandari, subsequent this issue was raised nationwide in various courts. Ultimately, Supreme Court held that this issue, COVID pandemic,
lordship,
for which our normal life was paralyzed, only this period during COVID, that period.
To 20 to February 2022,
Yes.
not beyond.
Not beyond.
Up to February 2020.
Yes. Supreme
So you
Court
came in
subsequent-
2025, another 3.
my lord, my responsibility, your lordship, for a moment, my lord, for higher scale of pay.
Higher scale of pay, you are not entitled.
That is why I am placing so many documents. My lord.
We have considered, Mr. Bhandari. Allow us to pass on.
My lord, before that, so many documents. You'll after there are
Whether
four
this
papers.
document was considered by the single
No.
judge,
My lord,
whether this document which you want to rely upon now are considered by the single judge.
his lordship
So
asked me that special bench order was that those who passed M in education, they will not be entitled. Only one single line. So before that passing order, only 4 papers, my
We
lord.
have heard you, Mr. Bhandari.
My
We
lord,
have heard
only
you.
4 papers I'll place.
no, we have heard.
We have heard you, na? You have
Several
showed us the document. The present appeal has been preferred.
My lord, I represent only 1, 2, 3, and 4.
ওটা দিয়ে দিও। আর other respondents are director of pension.
No, they are managing committee, school.
All right.
this-
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, and 4. And my lord, that 2000 order lordship was referred to, that is not by respondent 3. It was by director of school education.
Yeah, that is respondent 3.
No, 3 is commissioner, he said.
At
He has
that
not,
time he was director.
at that time.
Director of school education became commissioner of school education. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে করেছি। The commissioner of school education করে তো বলছে যখন ভালো।
No, in his averment, he said director.
Sorry, Mr. Bhandari, come with a better case. Yes, password. Yes, you use an opposition.
Malad, this is a very, if I use the opposition, matter would become infectious. Why? Because of that, my lord. And my lord, very recently, my lord, yesterday, my lord.
Tomorrow.
My lord, my lord.
Lord, I am here, my lord.
Come tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
At 2 p.m. we have another fixed matter. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, tomorrow?
Yes, my lord. Yes. No.
Drop of the
Lord,
matter. One notification
Lord,
recently.
at the top, if your lord, it is already on top. Already on top. Let it remains this position, my lord.
অনেকগুলো। Application that you will do that will be appearing in person.
In person, yes, my lord. He already, my lord, but he time and again called that old gentleman, and
He's not coming.
No, he says I'll come in the court on that particular day. That means tomorrow he will come, and he already. And all, my instruction is that.
কালকে একটাই পেয়েছেন ওই একটাই আছে
But
এটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন
এটা না, আরে এটা না, ওই বয়স্ক লোকটা নিয়ে।
এই ম্যাটারটাকে অ্যাপ্লিকেশনের উপরে রেখে দেব।
Malad, otherwise matter would become, because of that, Malad, yesterday West Bengal Central School Service Commission
Very good.
rescheduled
You hand over that memo.
We have not rescheduled for everyone.
Oh, yes, Malad, and it's published by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission.
No.
Will be held on 8th January.
8th
January.
No. This is a completely different category. He's trying.
Yes, but my case
please,
that,
please.
my lord, due to
No.
medical
Lord, what has happened? I tell you, Lord.
will attend the interview.
No.
They says no.
Mr. Samim, in every
interview.
Every
And for others, they hold the interview.
No. Tomorrow we are not holding any interview. Well, I tell you, Lord.
That is the
division bench. Another division bench.
We are hearing it. Yes, another division.
Well, another division bench presided over by Justice Bosak. That time, the scheduled caste candidates had some demands that they couldn't fill up the app. Now, Justice Bosak fixed up a cut-off time limit, and on the basis who have went to app. Please, Mr. Samim, please allow me to speak. Now, in that case, the only the 63 persons, because in terms of division bench order, who are scheduled caste only. They are giving a one chance, because we are waiting. Just we would have published the result today itself. But in view of the
that notification is about 2nd January, but 5th January they give another notice.
Mr. Yes, all right. We will see to that. But therefore, tomorrow on a hearing of the appeal, we are taking it. They are not filing any applications, affidavit.
No, they are.
There is no direction of affidavit. There is
no direction. Either you take direction or not directions.
When you in the morning you were not there. We asked whether you want to use any opposition. Your junior could not say on that because the appeal would become infructuous.
Yes.
This is what.
Yes.
So tomorrow while hearing we can take up the main appeal.
Yes.
You are not filing. We will decide the issue.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Yes, madam. Deeply obliged.
Give that note.
দুটো কপি
So that, and this is 5th January, there is another notice is given by the West Bengal.
There are 2 copies.
Yes, madam. For each notice, there are 2 copies.
Kindly circulate us, kindly circulate us.
Yes, yes.
Here issue is completely different.
I will explain, madam.
All we will explain.
Obviously.
All we will explain. Not only you will explain, all we will explain.
That's my job.
It is everyone's job.
I am concerned about my job, sir.
I am concerned about everyone's job.
Okay.
All right,
Documents are not,
Tomorrow.
totally on verification, document verification, it is that's not in order. Proper document.
They were hard and material appear tomorrow. Yes, sir. ঠিক আছে সই করতে যাও
এটা কোথায় কি অর্ডার মিলছিল দেখতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, yes, it will be there tomorrow, Mr. Mohan.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Good.
লাস্ট পয়েন্টে নীল হয়ে গেছে। আরে এদের জার্সি লাল ছিল না, নীল হয়ে গেল কবে থেকে? ওদের লাল ছিল তো, নীল কবে হলো? তো লালগুলো দিয়ে দিস আমাদের।
তাই তো দেখছি, হ্যাঁ, লাল ছিল তো আগে, মাথার লালের সঙ্গে গায়ের লালটা মিলেছিল।
পাটার মাটা শুনতে নীল লাল।
ঠান্ডা লাগছে গালিব সাহেব।
হ্যাঁ, খুবই ঠান্ডা স্যার।
তো
37 টা আগে
I will start with the points which was raised by the petitioner but not answered by my learned friend or attempted to answer. The point is, in this the second paragraph, the applicant has shown
Yes.
Paragraph, page 7, second paragraph, last 3 lines. Only he has filed certain document being application for mutation, etc., which does not bear seal and signature of the office. It's not the case of the state that the document which is appended page 101 is a forged document. If that be so, my lord, my first point would be the bar by res judicata. Mutation, my lord, has a process to be done. In the manual, my lord will find for mutation, investigation, there is a complete code how the property is to be mutated. Place that black book.
Rule 15 and the West Bengal Land Reform Act.
Rule 59 is a deliberate procedure has been laid down. After that, the authority come to a conclusion that the property has been mutated in my name. If that is disregarded, then I should get a chance to oppose that.
Spelling.
No opportunity was given to us. Only when the document was read upon before the authorities, it is simply discarded. No, you file an application online, we will reconsider it. And that is the genesis of coming to these proceedings up till before my lord. So if that mutation stands, the subsequent proceedings my lord VCS. This is my first leave of submission, which my learned friend has not made any objection to that, because records is not, if you have the affidavit does not disclose there is a forged document, nowhere it's said. Only tribunal discarded on the ground that is not signed and sealed. That's why the tribunal was not discussed the matter whether in the administrative proceedings also res judicata applies. In our written submission, my lord, we have dealt with that also.
তার হাতে তুমি স্পেলিংটা আমি বলে লিখে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ।
বন্ধ করে দিন তো, কে গল্প করছে বসে বসে।
তোমার জুনিয়র বলে দাও তুমি আছো।
No written argument has been.
এই তো
Oh, you have colorfully drawn. My learned friend make it colorful.
Today
we are filing. দিয়ে দাও।
না দাঁড়া।
Yes.
That point has been covered.
Should have a copy দিও।
Now the main section 6.